Hi, my name is Shailesh. Welcome to Tech SR. Today's video is about how to download specific part or specific portion of YouTube videos. First we need to go YouTube. And search the video which you want to download specific part of that video. After search of the video, open video and note down the starting time and ending time of that portion which you want to download. And just copy the video link and URL of the video. Go to the streamable.com website link given in the description. And paste the video link in search box and search wait till loading. After that, drag the starting point and ending point a blue bar below the video, or else put starting time and ending time of that part which you want to download in the box below blue bar. And press create video button after that. Press on 3 dot. Choose download option. Downloading will be starts. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel Tech SR. Stay tuned with Tech SR.